So, what is it?
It's only FPV Friday!
Well done. I thought in this video I'll be showing you the FPV Controller 3 compared to the Motion Controller 3, only because what I wanted to try out, I got the Neo 2 today. Now I know on the Neo 2 with the Motion 3 controller you can do Acro mode, but when I tried this yesterday, because officially you can set up the Acro mode while the drone's still on the ground, and it didn't work when I was in the studio, so I thought, oh, okay, so I'll come out here. Anyway, I'm just going to show you now what I'm on about. So I've got everything on. Guys, please check out my videos on how to link all these together. So I've got a whole lot now. I've got this one, 3 or 4 drones, all linked to my goggles. Pretty easy, but please check out those videos. So everything's on, the drone's on, the goggles are on, I've got the controller on as well. And what I wanted to do, I've got something on the screen there. Okay, so we're all back in. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to show you what I'm on about. Right, so the screen's recording so you can see what's going on. If I go over the settings, so that's done. If I go to the top one, I always get mixed up. Right, so if you can see, if I scroll along there to Easy Acro and press it, officially that's on. So if I put that away and bring it back down again, it's off. So I thought, okay, that's no problem, because what I don't understand is we have got a scroll wheel there to go down the side there, and nothing's happening. So anyway, we'll get the drone up in the air. I'll just send it out the way a bit. Okay, so there we are. I scroll across and press it. Nothing on the screen, as you can see. And if I use the wheel on the controller, all that does is move the gimbal up and down. So that's a bit of a pain, but I'll just show you also. It's turning itself off again. Now I haven't seen any videos out on YouTube about this. Because this controller is not cheap, guys. I know you can do it in manual, but guys, I'll be honest, I'm never going to be trying this in manual. I've done it. It scared me. It's just too fast for me. So I can fly it in normal mode. I can fly, you know, I'm happy with that. But it's just. Okay, let's just send it over that way. Yeah, I'm not happy with that, so it's just interesting. Right, one more thing I will check, thinking about it, while I've got this, is I will go into settings MO, and go down to, let's just check, settings, safety, because I probably need to, yeah, I've got obstacle avoidance. I'm just see if that does anything. I'll turn it off. All right, and then we come back. So the obstacle avoidance off. I'll now go into Acro mode and we'll just see if anything comes up. Okay, so I clicked on that. If I bring it back down, it's gone off. So unfortunately, guys, it ain't going to work with this. It's just a bit of a pain, I think, because if you just bought this only, then you won't be able to do some of the things that you can do on the Neo 2. And I'm just going to show you just in the mode using this one. So let's bring the drone back. I think this time it's going to land on the landing pad. Wow, it did. Yeah. Hey. And believe it or not, if I just turn that around now, I've never seen it do that before, but that was amazing. I've changed over, well, what I've done, I've left everything on really. I've just got the goggles on. I'm just going to turn on the Motion controller as well. Motion 3 controller. We'll just get the drone up in the air. Button. It's not looking very good out there now. It's going to rain soon. So anyway, we're up there. We've got the slide on. I'm not very keen on the slide, so I'm just going to send it out a little bit more. 38 on the clock. Right, we just do the flip. Okay, so we're going forward. Check out the video I've done on this, and we're just going to flip it over. Okay, we've got the front flip. I can do the side, the right roll, the left roll. I do love it. What you can do on this little drone, the Neo, and here we go, just going to aircraft level, unable to perform, easy acro. Okay, so it's, oh, battery's low. Okay, so that's another problem, obviously, with this drone. If you've got a low battery, let's just do it again, 30%. Okay, so anyway, it's this plain safe, I suppose. I've got 29% on that. So that is one of the bugbearers of flying with the Neo 2 is the battery life. You know, 28%. So I'm just going to fly around a moment. Low battery is going to, I'm just going to let it kick in and we'll see what happens. So we got 26%, and it's saying it's going to return to home any second now, and there it is. That's the only thing I hate about the Neo 2 is the battery life. It's just pants, but it's enough, I think. If you got the 3 batteries, it's enough. But I just wanted to show you there that on the Motion free controller, it works. It's way off. So yeah, maybe on low batteries it is pants. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting, because I did. I was hoping, because I haven't used this for yonks. When I went manual that time, it just put me right off using this thing, and I just thought, oh, because I haven't seen any videos. Now I know why there's no videos out there, because it don't work with this controller. Even though it does surprise me, because this costs well more than the Motion free controller. So Andy, this is for you. So guys, if you're into FPV flying, one of the channels I would always suggest to check out is Andy from the UK, and he loves woods. Unfortunately, where I live, woods are very sparse, but funny enough, not far from where I live, we have got this wood. It's not like Andy's where it's thick, you know, with trees. There's so many gaps here. But Andy, this is all for you, mate. So please check out Andy's channel, which is Drone Life. Get that, Drone Life. Check it out. Now he puts up videos every couple of days. And what's good about it, he's got the Neo 2. He's got the Afata 2. And he's got another, oh yeah, he's got a Neo, that's it, because he did crash. Anyway, guys, I think it's all about supporting each channel as well, but I do love Andy's channel, so check it out. Drone Life. Catch you sooner. We'll see you sooner.